Hi, today let's make ragi dosa at home. It's crispy, tasty, and super healthy as well. First, you need to do some prep, which takes around 20 minutes of your prep time. So, you need to take rice, whole ragi, you need to take urad dal, then you need to take poha and methi seeds. You need to add all of this together in a pot, no need of adding separately. Just give it a good mix, and then you need to wash all of them really very well till the water runs clear, and then you need to soak it for around 6 to 7 hours overnight, and then next morning change the water and blend it into a smooth batter like this. Now the batter should not be too thick or too thin. This should be the consistency, and then see, look, when you touch it should be grainy like this, and then give it a good mix with your hand. They say the batter ferments really very well, and let it ferment overnight for 6 to 7 hours, and next morning this is how my batter has fermented. So the batter needs to be it needs to have like this kind of foamy consistency or the foamy texture, which means the batter has fermented really very well, and you need to add in salt just before you make your dosa. So now let's start making a dosa. Heat the pan really very well, and then pour in your dosa batter slowly like this. And then if you like ghee or oil, completely up to your choice. I like ghee on my dosa because I like that flavor. You need to add in some ghee, and then cover it for at least 1 to 2 minutes till the dosa is crispy and nice. If you want, you can add in different types of chutneys as well on top. And look at this, how beautiful the dosa has turned, that crispiness you can see. And then finally take it off, and then you can serve it with hot sambar or hot chutney. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. The descriptions and the measurements are on the screen. Enjoy.